Kansas City. We've got you covered with reliable managed IT service for your small business. Kansas City Tech can help with computer repair, help desk services, server administration, Active Directory support, cybersecurity, data backups, email issues, Office 365 support, cloud services, and IT consulting. Some of the industries we help are legal, financial, retail, real estate, education, non-for-profit, healthcare, construction, and manufacturing. If you've been struggling with data compliance issues, computer problems, security-related mishaps, data backups, IT administrative headaches, or just need professional advice as your company grows, we're here for you. Kansas City Tech. Empowering your technology.